Safe, secure, comfy and easy airport air travel outfit tips. Pants. Criteria: ankle length, not too cropped, not floor sweeping, not wide-legged. Choose pants that are tapered or gathered at the ankle. Comfy but durable fabric like fleece, cotton twill, viscose cotton. Tops. 100% cotton short-sleeve t-shirts should be the go-to choice. Easily adaptable to increase in temperature when disembarking if jackets need to be removed. Outerwear. Pick jackets, blazers or cardigans that are of regular length. Not cropped nor long. Fabrics should be of natural source that is water absorbent. The best are cotton knits or twill or fleece. Handbag choice: you can't go wrong with a tote for in-flight necessities and a belt, waist bag for your travel documents. Material for your tote should be durable yet soft, pliable to easily tuck under the aircraft seat and retrieved when needed. Canvas or nylon would be among the best. Choose waist bags that are of the same materials so they don't poke on your skin throughout your journey. Pick ones with many utility zipper compartments. Hand luggages. Material for your carry-on luggages should be durable yet soft, pliable to easily place on the overhead compartments and retrieved when disembarking. Canvas or nylon would be among the best. But if safety is a concern, choose hard plastic shelled types with locks. Scarves. Choose cotton or linen blend thick knitted or women ones that are long and wide enough to use as blankets. Footwear should be soft, with thick durable material for comfortability and safety. Choose slip-on or Velcro, strapped sneakers as the best options for easy removal if needed. Wear 100% cotton socks that aren't too thin or too thick. Belts, chains or other chunky metal accessories are best skipped for your outfit. Here are some best airport looks that score high points in terms of comfortability, aesthetics, practicality and safety. Enjoy.